Years ago, Mike faced a life-altering decision. His beloved daughter had just been born, and she was perfect. He was deeply involved in the music business at the time. However, his career demanded constant travel, leaving town frequently. Mike couldn't bear the thought of missing his daughter's early years. So he made the difficult choice to leave the music world behind. He needed a new venture, something that would keep him close to home. With determination, he decided to start a landscaping company. He humorously named his new business Dirt Cheap Lawn Care. From the outset, Mike poured his heart and soul into it, advertising by word of mouth only. He and his crew's dedication, hard work, and unwavering honesty shone through. He also committed to offering his services at truly affordable rates. Word quickly spread about his reliable and budget-friendly company. Soon, Dirt Cheap Lawn Care began to flourish and became very successful. Life was good, and Mike enjoyed his new, family-focused career. Then, an unforeseen global event dramatically changed everything. The COVID-19 pandemic swept across the world, impacting all businesses. One immediate consequence was a dramatic and sudden surge in gas prices. This made operating his gas-powered equipment increasingly expensive. Beyond fuel costs, his machinery constantly suffered breakdowns. Issues often stemmed from improper fuel and oil mixtures. Exhaust problems also plagued the engines, leading to frequent repairs. Another significant challenge was the sheer noise generated by the equipment. The loud roar of lawnmowers and blowers was a constant complaint. With everyone working and schooling from home, peace was paramount. His crews could only operate during very specific, limited hours. They had to wait for times when customers could tolerate the noise. Mike realized this situation was unsustainable and needed a radical change. He began researching alternatives, seeking a quieter, more efficient solution. After careful consideration, he made a bold decision. He would transition his entire operation to battery-powered lawn equipment. This change also prompted a rebranding of his beloved company. He proudly renamed it E-scapes Electric Lawn Care. The switch proved to be an immediate and resounding success. It was truly wonderful, transforming his daily operations. The constant maintenance problems that plagued gas engines vanished. Crucially, the disruptive noise was almost entirely eliminated. His crews could now work more flexibly without disturbing clients. However, a new challenge quickly emerged with the battery-powered tools. He needed to devise a reliable way to keep all the batteries charged. Ensuring continuous power throughout the entire workday was critical. Mike, ever the innovator, decided to delve into solar energy. He began studying the principles of photovoltaic power generation. His vision was to create a self-sustaining mobile charging system. He started by mounting robust solar panels onto his enclosed landscaping trailers. Next, he equipped his box trucks with similar solar arrays. This ingenious solution worked even better than he had hoped. The sun's energy now powered his entire fleet, silently and cleanly. His company, E-scapes Electric Lawn Care, became a true blessing. It offered a peaceful, environmentally friendly service to the community. There was no loud noise to disturb neighborhoods anymore. Gone were the toxic fumes that harmed both the environment and his workers. Maintenance requirements were dramatically reduced, saving time and money. The new electric equipment presented a more efficient and classy image. His landscapers now looked clean, professional, smelled delightful, and feel like a class act. Mike's company is now highly sought after, a true original in the industry. He even hosts a popular podcast called Learning to E-scape. Furthermore, he and his business partner have authored 2 insightful books explaining how he did it. These resources teach other landscapers how to adopt his successful model. Mike passionately shares how much more efficient and pleasant landscaping can truly be.